You've seen them. The ones who smile just a little too easily. The ones who cancel plans, sleep too much, talk too fast. The ones who always seem fine until they're not. But what if the behaviors we brush off as just personality are actually quiet alarms from a mind that's breaking? What if the most dangerous mental illnesses don't look dangerous at all? They look polite, productive, funny, normal. But they're not. Because the scariest kind of pain is the kind no one notices until it's too late. Number 9. They always smile, laugh at the right times, say they're fine. To everyone around them, they seem perfectly put together, even enviable. But behind that polished mask might be something far more unsettling: smiling depression. It's the type of pain that hides behind perfect teeth and polite replies. These people don't look broken. They look functional. Until one day, they don't. Number 8. They cancel plans often, saying they're tired or just not in the mood. Friends assume they're being dramatic, lazy. But this behavior, done repeatedly, is often a silent form of social withdrawal, a classic symptom of clinical depression or anxiety. The truth is, they're not avoiding people. They're trying to survive being themselves. Number 7. They keep everything extremely neat, obsessively organized. Their desk is spotless, closet color-coded. Even their emails are filtered to perfection. Admirable, right? But underneath, this could be obsessive-compulsive personality disorder, where the fear of losing control drives a person to over-control their environment. Clean doesn't always mean calm. Number 6. They talk too much, fill every silence, always have a story, an update, a distraction. It seems like confidence, but it might be manic masking, a behavior linked to bipolar disorder. When the brain is sprinting and spiraling, some try to outrun it by filling the world with noise. That energy isn't always power. Sometimes it's panic wearing a smile. Number 5. They say yes to everything, help everyone, never set boundaries. You admire their kindness, but inside, they're drowning in resentment. This isn't just being too nice, it's often people-pleasing syndrome, sometimes rooted in childhood trauma or rejection anxiety. They think being useful is the only way to be loved. Number 4. They sleep a lot. Weekends vanish in bed. Afternoons fade into naps. You might think they're just lazy or relaxed, but often hypersomnia is a sign of high-functioning depression. For them, sleep is the only escape, the only place the thoughts don't follow. They're not resting, they're hiding. Number 3. They joke about everything, especially dark things: depression, trauma, death. People laugh assuming it's just edgy humor, but sometimes humor is a shield, a quiet cry wrapped in sarcasm. It's not that they aren't serious, it's that if they were, no one would listen. So they hide the truth in punchlines. Number 2. They disappear for a while, then come back like nothing happened. Messages go unanswered. They avoid calls. Then suddenly they return to normal. But this pattern, over time, is common in those dealing with dissociation or emotional shutdowns, where the brain literally detaches to protect itself from feeling. Their absence isn't disrespect, it's survival. Number 1. They overthink everything. Conversations from years ago, texts, facial expressions. Their entire mind is a looping storm of imagined consequences. To the outside world, they're just sensitive. But what's really happening is high-functioning anxiety, a constant mental war that no one sees. They're not paranoid. They're scanning the world for danger their brain tells them is always coming. The truth is, most people don't scream for help. They smile. They stay quiet. They blend in. That's why the most dangerous pain goes unnoticed. Because it looks like everything's okay. But now you know what to look for. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. If this made you feel something, if it made you think a little deeper, there's more like this waiting. Subscribe and keep peeling back the layers of what we think we know. Because sometimes the darkest truths are the ones hiding in plain sight.